Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing something that honestly blew my mind the first time I saw it. If you've ever dreamed about creating your own AI-powered tools, launching a software business, or even just building cool apps without coding, then you're going to want to hear this. It's called AIWrappers, and it's one of the most exciting platforms I've come across in the no-code space. So here's the deal. AIWrappers is not your average app builder. It's a purpose-built platform that lets anyone, and I mean anyone, create fully functional AI tools using nothing but your voice or simple text. You don't need any coding knowledge. You don't need to know how to host an app. You don't even need to write prompts or deal with APIs. You just describe your idea, like you're talking to a friend, and the platform builds the app for you in seconds. That includes the front end, the back end, and even the monetization setup if you want to sell it. Let's say you want to build an AI that writes blog posts for real estate agents. You just type or speak that, and AIWrappers spins up a fully working app, complete with inputs, outputs, branding, and yes, even a way to collect payments if you want to sell access. Want to switch the model from GPT to Claude or Gemini? It takes one click. Want the app to work in Spanish, French, Hindi, or Japanese? Just tell the platform. It understands and builds in over 50 languages. And the best part is, the apps it creates can work in any language too. Now, this isn't just for playing around. These are real, monetizable AI tools that you can sell to clients or use in your own business. Whether it's a slogan generator, an avatar video creator using VO, a room visualizer, or a business plan writer, AIWrappers makes it happen in minutes. It even comes with over 100 done-for-you templates, so you can hit the ground running without starting from scratch. You can customize the layout, change the logic, edit fields, and make it truly your own using a drag-and-drop interface. Everything you build is hosted and secured by default. No server setup, no patching, no worrying about API key storage. That's all handled behind the scenes. It also captures leads for you, lets you collect payments through Stripe, and you can even connect your own domain and fully white-label your tools with custom branding. You get to keep 100% of the profit from any apps you sell. And if you're someone who works with clients, freelancers, or agencies, this platform gets even better. You can offer custom AI tool creation as a service, clone and adapt apps for different industries, or package them as micro SaaS products. It's the easiest way I've seen to go from idea to income using real AI tech, and it's all bundled into one powerful dashboard. If this sounds like something you've been waiting for, definitely check it out. I'll drop the link below. Let me know what kind of app you'd build with AIWrappers, and if you want a full tutorial or walkthrough, I can put that together for the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.